Hello,
Hello Varshini.
what we are going to see today?
Today we are going to discuss about x to the power of x whole power of 6 equal to 3 to the power of 3. From this equation we are going to find x. This is simple trick which we are going to use it for find out this x. Quickly get into the video to find out the x. Here x to the power of x whole power 6 equal to 3 to the power of 3. From this we are going to add both sides in the power 6. That means x to the power of x whole power 6 to the 6 equal to 3 to the power of 3 6. Now this 6 we can bring it here. That means now this 6 we can bring it here. That means x to the power of 6 into x whole the power of 6 equal to 3 to the power of 3 into 6. Now 3 to the power of 18. Now this 18 can be written as 3 to the power of 2 into 9. Now this 3 square can be 9 to the power of 9, which means x to the power of 6 whole power x to the power of 6 equal to 9 to the power of 9, which means x power 6 equal to 9. X to the power of 6 equal to 9. Now we are adding 6 x square x to the power of 6 equal to 6 9. Now this 6 and this square will be 6 square will be cancelled. X equal to 6 9. This is the answer.